And this is Blue. Say hello, Blue. Oh, he's feeling a bit camera shy, okay, but he does say hello. He says sorry, he says stop it when he doesn't like something. He's extremely talkative, he's getting a bit camera shy. But let's see if he'll do a dance. Go on, Blue, dance. Yeah, good boy. Good boy, good dance. He is so tame. He loves playing. He loves playing around with hands. He's such a good boy, such a good boy. And just look at the markings on his face. Amazing. So beautiful. He's absolutely feather perfect. He's got a closed ring on him. And these are his feathers. It's incredible. Incredible. You can be as rough as you want with him, and he really does enjoy it. Really enjoys it. Yeah, just a beautiful, beautiful bird. Beautiful bird.